Hey everybody, welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So today is going to be another unboxing video, but it's going to be very off topic from makeup and hair. It is going to have to do with nails. Something that not a lot of people know about me is that I used to do my own nails. I used to do my own acrylic nails, my gel nails, my nail polish, my toenails, whatever it was me doing it by myself. I used to buy all the Mia Secrets products, the acrylics, the liquids, and I even used to buy the gel for the nails as well. And I used to have a bunch of nail products and stuff like that, but unfortunately I had a really bad reaction to one of the products. I'm not exactly sure what exactly it was, but I did have a reaction and I had to stop using the products, and I had not done my nails since, I would say, the end of April. So like it's been about 4 months since the last time I've done my nails. And of course I would love to go to a salon and get my nails done, but with the pandemic and everything going on, I am not going. And as well, I have children. I would not want to go to a salon with my kids to inhale the fumes that they have there. And as well, you're not exactly sure of which products they're using in their stores. So I decided that I wanted to learn to do my own nails. But like I said, unfortunately, I had to stop using the products that I was using. So with that being said, I did do some research and I found that a lot of people have had the same experience as me. And while I was doing my research, I haven't seen a lot of people like say what works for them or what they use instead of using acrylic. So I did research on polygel and I got some information on it, and I wanted to search for the best type of polygel that I could use on my nails. So of course I use my favorite app, Amazon, and there is a company by the name of Makartt. They sell nail products, nail tips, glue, nail polishes, acrylic, whatever you need regarding nails or in your salon, they have it. So they are a great company. I have seen a lot of great reviews, and I've seen a lot of YouTube videos as well of people using the products, and they've had some good reviews on Makartt. So with that being said, I wanted to get myself some polygel and see if that will work for me, because I miss doing my nails and I love doing my nails. And Christmas time is coming, fall is coming, and I would love to design my nails in long. My nails never grow too long. They always break. No matter what I do, they always break. So I like to do acrylics or gel. The kit that I'm about to show you on Amazon, I believe it was $30, but if not, I will put it here on the screen. I'll put a screenshot of the item here so you can check it out. And I'll also link down below Makartt's website, because they are a great website. If you do nails or you have your own nail shop, you need to go and check them out. They have some great products and some great deals as well. I even got a nail file, a drill file from their company as well, and it works great. I still have it. I'll probably do a video of all the nail stuff that I have, because I'm actually a pretty huge fan of doing nails, and I love nails, but unfortunately from what I experienced, I stopped doing it. So now I want to give polygel a try and see how that works. So this is the kit that I received from Makartt, and this is the Makartt, and this is the pink nail extension gel kit. So this is all polygel. It comes with everything. So let me show you guys the opening. Let me open this up. So I got it in a big box from Amazon, and it took about 3 days to arrive to me, so not that long. I did not wait for too long. So let's open this up. First, let me just say that they did have different options as well. They have purple, blue, green, white, and they also have a variety. They also have different kits where you can have like more neutral colors like nudes and darker colors as well. But I chose to go with pink. I'm not a huge pink fan, but pink is actually really cute and very feminine, very pretty. So I decided to get the pink kit. So I just wanted to put that FYI there. They do have different colored kits as well, not just pink. So I just wanted to put that out there for anyone who might be interested in purchasing this kit as well. In the box here, you could see Makartt's little pamphlet, and like I said, they have different type of products to offer, and these are some of them. They have way more than just these products. They have a lot of products to offer. So here inside is just basically the instructions of how you will apply the polygel to your nails, and of course information here, like a Q&A here on this side of the paper. So when you open up the box, you see a lot of little other little pieces of boxes here. So here's the first box. Actually, I'll save that one for after. I don't want you guys to see anything underneath, but let's go ahead. So here is the first box, and this is the GW LED UV nail lamp. And it's very small and compact, and it does come with a USB cord for charging and for plugging it in. So let's open that up. So here it is. It comes with the instructions and how to use it. So it says 16W UV LED nail dryer, 1 meter long USB cable, and 1 mini package box, of course. All right, and this is what it looks like. It's super small, super compact. I love it. You can get like a little container and put your nail stuff in there, and this would fit in there perfectly. It won't take up too much room. I did have a huge LED light, but I did give it away to somebody because I wasn't using it at the time. But this one's really nice, and I love how it has the Makartt logo here. Very nice. Very nice. And I love the color as well. It's nice and pink. It's very girly. And like I said, it does come with the USB cord. So you would have to plug it in to use it, which is no problem with me. But super cute, super nice. And yeah, so nice. I love how they have this in the kit as well, just in case you don't own an LED light. This is perfect, and it's perfect for on the go as well. So that's that. Next box here that was in my kit here is these beautiful glitter powders. So let me open this up for you. Like I said, the packaging is very girly. So here are the polygel nail tips. For polygel, you can either use the regular tips, or you can use, let me show you guys. These, I forget what these are called. What is this, the nail forms? Yes. These are nail forms, and these are the tips. I also have nail tips just in case I want to use that instead. But you have the option, you can use the nail forms, or you can use the nail dual forms. So yeah, it comes with these, and it comes with 12 different sizes, and I'm not exactly sure how much is in here, but even if this finishes, that's fine with me. I have a bunch of nail tips stored away. So that is the nail formers and the dual forms. And then they also sent some lovely rhinestones. I already have a lot of rhinestones and stuff, which I'll show you guys in another video, just in case some people are interested in seeing what I have in my hobby. But they sent some rhinestones, so that's awesome. I can use that. Of course, they have their glitters. So let's open up and see what the colors are. So here's the first color, and this is the color dark blue. Let's see if I can open that up. Ooh, very glittery, very glittery. But that's what that dark blue one looks like. And then here they have silver. And these all are the colors of them. It's on the bottle of it. So this is the color silver. Now this color here is white. Okay, open that up, and that's white. This is a nice one. I like this one. Now this is a Christmassy color. I love this one. This one is the color light pink. So that's also a nice, cute color. Underneath those two boxes are the polygels and the liquid and the top and the base coat. So they also send a file, a 100 and 180 grit filer. So that's great, but I already have my own, but this could help too, you never know. Then they send a double-sided brush, and this is really cute. So it's called a brush and picker, that's the name of it. And it's very cute, looks like a little pen. And then you open one side, and there's the brush side. You guys can see that, hopefully. It's the brush side. Then this side is the picker side, you know, to scoop it, put it on if you're gonna use it on your nails. And yeah, this is the lovely Makartt brush and picker. These are nice. Then they have the liquid, the nail surface cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 formula. So I'm guessing this is also for the polygel. As you guys know, you will need a liquid for your polygel to apply it, or it will be too tacky for you to use. So that is the liquid they have to offer. Here is the top coat and the base coat. Very cute. Like I said, everything is pink. So here I can see that they offer two. See here, this is the polygel. So this is the color 385, and that is what the color looks like. I would open it, but I don't want to. But that's what that looks like. This is the color 385. Then we have the color 386. Okay, so that's a nice color. As you can see, the colors right here. Here is this one. This one is in the color 383. No, 383. So that's the color 382, and that is a very light baby kind of looking pink. And then we have white, and that is in the color 381. That is everything that was in this kit by Makartt. Like I said, this is the pink nail extension gel kit, and it comes with everything you need to create your gel extensions. And I'm very excited to use this. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing me try this out on my nails. I'm definitely excited to try it out and see how it works for me and see if this is a good thing for me to use. So I hope that it all works out. There's one more thing that I did purchase at Amazon. Since I did get that, I knew I was going to need a couple of other items. Also purchased this Makartt nail glue for my nail tips, just in case I want to switch from the nail forms or the dual forms and I want to use the nail tips. I could definitely use this Makartt nail glue. So that was that. Also another kit that was on Amazon, and it has different types of things. It has these toe holders for if you're going to do your toenails, so these are great. And I love the material it's made of. It's like a jelly type of material, so nice, and it feels so soft, and the color is very cute as well. Here I have the gemstone or the design maker for your nails in case you're using nail polish and stuff. So that's also another great thing I wanted to purchase, so I got that as well. That came in this kit. And I got some brushes as well for the polygel, just in case I have one that's dirty or gets ruined. At least I have some others to fall upon. And the amount that came in here is 2, 4, 6, 7 different brushes that I could use. And then I used this nail dusting brush This is the one that I got. I never had this before when I first started doing my nails, so I'm very happy that I was able to get this for myself. Alright guys, so that is everything that I have for this video. That was me unboxing this Makartt Paint Nail Extensions Gel Kit. I'm very excited to use it, and I hope that you try it out as well. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, let me know in the comments if you do your own nails. Let me know if you wear acrylic nails or gel nails, or if you just are a simple person and you just wear your nail polish. I hope that this inspired somebody to try something new or to go ahead and purchase. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box, and I hope that you enjoyed watching. So with that being said, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like and comment as well if you enjoyed this video. And if you would like to connect with me or reach to me, find me on all my social media platforms at Kayla's Curls. So until the next time, peace out, and thanks again so much for clicking this video and checking out my channel. So until the next time, peace out, y'all.